Today, I'll be doing a engine oil and oil filter change on my Audi S4 B9. I've had this car since March. I do like to do a in-between service on all the cars I've owned. I like to believe that making sure the engine is running on clean and fresh engine oil makes sure that the engine is running smooth, and if the engine is running smooth, the engine is healthy. But anyways, this is probably one of the simplest entry level car maintenance things you can do yourself, as long as you have the right tools. But you don't need a lot of tools. Like I said, make sure you have the right tools, because things like the oil filter housing, the sump plug, might need very specific sockets. So you don't need a lot of tools, the right tools to get the job done. But let's get right into it. The tools I'll be using today, obviously won't be using every single piece here, but it's nice to be prepared. To start off with, safely jack up your car. If, like me, you have race ramps, then have your car on your ramp. Remove your engine cover. Then, starting off with the undertray, you'll probably need a range of torques from like 25 to the 30s for the undertray. For this Audi S4 B9 undertray, it also needed 2 sockets, which I don't remember the size of, but I definitely had it in my kit. So moving on to the sump plug and the oil filter housing. For this sump plug, I actually needed a T45 to drop the oil. And for the oil filter housing, I needed a 32mm socket, I believe it was. Here we have the old filter. Now with the reassembly, remove the old O-ring from the filter housing. Give it a nice clean. Pop in the new filter, put some fresh oil on the new O-ring, pop it into the oil filter housing, and back it goes. And put it back in. The housing does recommend 25 Nm of torque. I was a little bit extra and got a racing line magnetic sump plug. Fit that back into the sump. Give it a nice clean. And I think we're ready to fill the car up back with oil. For the S4 B9, it needs just over 7 litres, so I'll be here for a while. And just like that, the oil filter has been changed on the Audi S4 B9. Probably one of the most satisfying car maintenance things you can do on a car, because you get to see that dirty engine oil drain out of the car, and then when you're ready, you put that fresh, smooth, golden fluid back into the engine. Always very rewarding every time. But I hope this is preventing any future expenses or headaches, because I'm keeping that engine healthy, keeping it running on clean oil, keeping it smooth. But anyways, that is it from me this week. Hope you found today's video useful and helpful. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them in the comment box down below. Do remember, if you're enjoying everything, do like and subscribe. From me this week, see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.